Alright, hey, okay, Optic. Alright, you there? Alright, what happened? Were you playing on Bodizzle?
When?
When you guys played us? Because I'm just confused on what happened.
I was on Bonanza.
Yeah, okay, what happened again?
You're trying to record.
No, I'm really not, but okay. I just want to know if it was you or Mozzie
What do you mean?
that hit the host.
Oh, it wasn't me.
Well, Focus is getting it reverted. You should see the message he put in it.
What did he put?
Just a long message about how one of you guys hit host.
How Mozzie did?
Yeah. I just don't understand why Mozzie would do it. Why does he care so much?
He's on his injured.
Huh?
Mozzie did it.
I know he did it, but why does he care so much? He doesn't even care about GBs.
He says that.
It makes no sense to me.
Kid cares more than Sparky. What are you talking about?
Oh.